Hey everyone, if you're tired of being stuck in the 9-to-5 grind or feeling like you have no control over your financial future, this video is for you. Starting an online business in 2025 is easier than ever, but most people fail because they overcomplicate it. Today, I'm giving you a straight to the point, no BS guide on how to start a successful online business that actually makes money. No fluff, no hype, just proven strategies you can start using today. Let's get into it. Step 1, pick a proven business model. The biggest mistake people make is jumping into an online business without a clear plan. Not all businesses are created equal. Some take years to succeed, while others can generate income within months. Here are 3 online businesses that are beginner-friendly, profitable, and scalable. First, content business like YouTube, blogging, or newsletters. If you enjoy sharing knowledge, you can create content around your expertise and monetize through ads, sponsorships, and digital products. Second, digital products such as ebooks, courses, or templates. Create once, sell forever. If you have valuable skills, turn them into products that solve problems. Third, affiliate marketing and print on demand. No need for inventory or upfront costs. You promote products and earn commissions or sell custom merch online. Pick one and commit to it. Step 2, validate your idea. Quickly, don't waste months planning. Instead, validate your business in a few days. Use Google Trends and Reddit to see what problems people are talking about. Check YouTube and TikTok for viral content in your niche. Run a quick pre-sale or interest poll to see if people are willing to buy. If there's demand, move forward. If not, tweak your idea. Step 3, set up your business in 24 hours. Most people overthink this part. Here's what you actually need: a simple website or sales page. Use free tools like Canva, Card, or Gumroad. A social media presence. Start posting valuable content on platforms where your audience hangs out. A payment method, use Stripe, PayPal, or Gumroad to collect payments easily. That's it, no need to overcomplicate it. Step 4, get your first customers fast. Forget paid ads in the beginning. Use free strategies. Leverage short-form content. Post TikToks, YouTube Shorts, and Instagram Reels to drive traffic. Join online communities. Engage in Facebook groups, Reddit, and Discord servers related to your niche. Use email marketing. Collect emails and nurture leads for long-term success. Start small, be consistent, and watch your audience grow. Step 5, scale and automate. Once you start making money, reinvest to grow. Outsource repetitive tasks. Launch additional income streams like courses, memberships, or coaching. Use automation tools like Zapier and AI chatbots to save time. Starting an online business is not rocket science. It's about taking consistent action. Don't let fear or overthinking hold you back. Pick a business model, validate your idea, start small, and scale over time. If you found this helpful, drop a comment below and let me know what business you're starting. And don't forget to check out our next video on effective marketing strategies for online businesses. Now go take action.